up, guys? Thank you guys for tuning into my YouTube channel. Got something pretty exciting, a Ruroc delivery. This is a Ruroc brand new Atlas helmet. I can't wait to open this up and share it with you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I did pre-open this box. I was gonna shoot this earlier today, and unfortunately I forgot my memory card, so I couldn't do the whole review on this earlier, but I still was dying to see the helmet. So let's get to it, guys. Here you have it. It's, black box, says Atlas on it, Ruroc logos, has the color, the size. This, for my big head, is a size large. This is a carbon fiber helmet. On top of the back box, when you open it up, has like little padding. This is probably a box that I'm gonna save. So if I do want to store my helmet, I will put it right back in this box, even if it's in my garage. Check it out, guys. We got cool helmet. Let's release the beauty. Woo! Here's the helmet, guys. Now, one thing that I have to point out immediately, from the minute I got that box, when I picked up that box today from UPS, I couldn't get over how light the box was. So I was really excited to see how much this helmet actually did weigh. This is the lightest helmet that I've held in my hands, and I just love the design. It has plenty of ventilation space. The visibility when you put this helmet on is incredible, and that's one of the things I've always had a problem with whenever I had a full face helmet. Now, one of the things I also like about this is the padding inside. Guys, I've been dying for this helmet, honestly, just because I've heard so many good things about these helmets. Yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. Here's a nice view of the helmet, the side profile of the helmet, the back of the helmet, the top of the helmet. Like I said, man, this is a pretty sick looking helmet with tons of ventilation space.